Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is El-Gabby. So you have not been posting for a while, just been working on some things, and then now you're back fully. So been having this complaints in my DMs. Many of my friends have been asking, how do I do this Remini app? I've been trying to hack it, it's not working. I've tried to look for the pro mode version, still not working. So here I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can be using your Remini app even without paying for it. Now let's ride on. Without wasting much of our time, please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment. Please subscribe if not. Subscription is totally free. You're not paying anything for it. Just kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, and drop your thoughts. Drop what you feel like. And then if there's any other app you feel like you want to use and you don't know how to get the mod version of it, or you don't know how to hack it, just pop into my DM and we'll talk about it. So here we go. This is our Remini app. Here's our Remini app. So just wait for it to load. So many persons have actually been asking me, how do I change the model picture? How do I change the model picture? And I was like, okay. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can take exactly the model picture into another picture you're working on. So let's just go directly to it. You hit your settings. If you can see this, just hit your settings and then hit the restrain AI model. Let's just wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Just going to take just a few seconds. So guys, please, if you're new to my channel and or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so when I release new videos like this, you'll be the first to be updated and to know about my new videos. So like, comment, drop your thoughts, drop anything you feel like you have an issue with or challenge with, and I'll try my best to help you out. So please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Alright guys, so I don't know if it's taking time to load, probably my network, so just wait for it. Okay, so the app has finally loaded. So let's just head down to settings. Let's head down to settings and then hit the restrain AI model. Yes. Hit the restrain AI model and tap yes to delete it. Now let's pick another model here. Let me try a male model. So you just have to wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Okay, now it is load. Now this empty space is to tell you that you can pick another model right now. So let's head on to, let me go to my gallery so I can choose from there. So let me open my gallery so I can choose the pictures I want to work on in my gallery.
Now I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
Okay, so let's say we want to work on these pictures. So you have to do just select 8 of these pictures. It's okay, just hit it done. Now this is it. All you have to do now is tap on continue, and it's going to load. Just pick a model. Let's say I want to use this model. Now I picked a female picture for a male model. It's going to take a while to upload, so I'm going to be stopping the video, and I'm going to pause on the video and play the part. So let's just wait while it uploads. And since it's still loading, let me show you the trick about this. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because you're going to be learning how to continuously use this app for free, even if your subscription time has elapsed. Now let's head on to our settings. Head on to settings and go to apps. Go to apps. Let's just go to load. When you search for Remini, I'll just scroll down to it. You can see the Remini app. This is it. You tap on it. Now, this is what we have to do. We want to continuously using this app for free without anything. Just hit on the storage. Now, this is what you do. You either clear the cache file or you clear the data file. Now, the cache file doesn't really matter. It doesn't really change anything. But as soon as you clear this data file, you can see this pointer. If you clear this data file, everything this app has stored will be cleared out, not including those pictures you are working on. Those pictures will still be there, but everything this app has stored will be cleared out. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can clear this data app, and then the picture will be removed and you can change another picture. Let's head on. Let's go. Let's go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store and go to your settings. You go to payment and subscriptions. Now go to subscriptions. It show you Remini AI photo enhancer. You see, my payment is going to start on the 18th of August 2023, and it's 4,900. I'm currently on a free 7 days trial. Do you understand? I'm currently on a free 7 days trial. Now, for you to keep using this app for free without any interruption, just hit on this and then cancel subscription. This is it. Cancel subscription. As soon as you cancel this subscription, this will no longer be seen, and you will have a fresh 7 days free trial again. So you can keep making AI photos for as long as you want, as long as you keep subscribing and canceling the subscription, as long as you keep subscribing and unsubscribing. You understand? So this is the trick. This is the trick. Just cancel this subscription here, and you'll be free. You don't need to uninstall the app. That's why I said you just have to go to your settings and clear the data. You don't need to uninstall the app. They leave the app on your phone. Just clear the data or the cache file, and then cancel your subscription. Then the app will keep working for you as long as you want it, even for free. So let's dive back to what we were doing. Alright, so this is our images. Remember I picked a female for a male picture, and this is what I got. Now this is the power of AI. As you can see, this is the original picture I picked. This is the power of AI. Now this is the person in a male version. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.